Hello. Today, I'll be showing you how to change your um, permalink, which is also called URL, uh, WordPress website, because that's really something very important for your search engine optimization. The permalink, I say that when you install your WordPress, it's not something that is too good for your SEO. So what I will do is just to show you how to change your permalink in your WordPress website. So this is my cPanel. So what I'll be doing, I want to install a WordPress on my website so that you'll be able to see the default permalink after you install your WordPress website. So I'll click on install. So this is my website URL. So what I will be doing, so my username, is my password. So you can change your password. So I'll be leaving this, and then my email address I want to use. So you can change this also. So I want to have this installed also. So all I need to do is to click on install. Within 3 to 4 minutes or less than that, I should have my WordPress website installed. Yeah, I have my WordPress installed. So I click. Yeah, so this is my dashboard. So if you visit the site, this is my site. If you click on this post, so if you click, you see this is the permalink I'm talking about. So you need to change this so that when you install your blog or anything, you don't have this type of URL. You don't have this type of URL. So what I will be doing is to change this to something that is good for your search engine optimization. So I go back to the dashboard, come to settings, go down, you click on permalink. So you see, so all you need to do is to come and click on post name, and then you click on save changes. If you go back to your site and then click on this, and you see, this has changed. So this is easy for anyone to remember. So just like assuming I want to do a new post, I click on all posts. This is my latest post. So all I need to do is to click on add mail, and then let me just use a demo content. Let me just use a demo content so you see what I'm talking about. So I copy this, my title, I do this, and then I also copy this, and then this. So if I publish and view my post, you see my URL. So this is my permalink. So you can also change this if you want. All you need to do is to click here, edit, and then I can change certain this, like removing part of it, and then click OK, and then click update. Then view post. You can see that I have a very short permalink, which is also called URL. So this is good for your search engine optimization. Thank you. See you next time.